Having Python, we can create many new charts in Excel. You don't need to install any add-ins and you don't need any extra tools. For example, we can create kernel density estimate, Hexbin plot, scatter plot with linear regression, residual plots, and so on. In this video, I will show you how you can create these plots in Excel using Python. Let's get started. I have two variables, x and y, in a table. Convert your Excel cell to a Python cell. And the first step is to convert our data to a data frame. df is equal to, and select your table. I will use Seaborn's JointPlot to create these charts. We don't need to import Seaborn because it's one of the libraries that by default is imported when you start using Python in Excel. So I just need to type SNS and the name of the chart, which in this case is JointPlot. Define your x and y variables. Lowercase x is equal to data frame column x. Note that x in my table was uppercase. Lowercase y is the argument, and data frame has a column called y, and y is uppercase in my table. What kind of chart you're going to create? We need to pass that to the kind argument. And in this case, I'm going to use Hexbin chart. So it's going to be HEX. Hold Control and press Enter. And you can show that over the Excel worksheet. Display plot over cells. If you want to change the colors, you just need to pass the color code. In your browser, you can search color picker, and you can select any color from here. Or if you know your RGB code, you can type it here, and that would be the code for this color. I'll copy this. Inside JointPlot, I'm going to add my color. Color is equal to the color code that I just copied. By changing the kind, you can create different type of plots. For instance, I'm going to create a KDE plot. Run this once more, and that will give you the KDE plot. Let's create a drop-down menu with all different type of charts that we can create in cell C4. Go to Data ribbon, Data Validation, and I'm going to create a list, and the items for this list is in this range in the data sheet. Click OK, and that will give you a list of these charts. I can also display a description of this chart from here using XLOOKUP. Look up this value inside this array and return the matching value from the second array. Going back to my code, I can pass the chart type to the kind variable. So let's delete KDE from here and select cell C4. Run the code once more. This is a scatter plot. If I select REG, that will be a regression chart. I'm also going to make some adjustments to the theme of this chart. You can set a theme for your Seaborn charts. So before creating my chart, I'm going to have SNS.setTheme, and I'm going to select the style here. My favorite style is ticks. Create the chart once more, and this will make some adjustments to how different components of the chart are displayed. Using Python, we can create many professional charts in Excel which they were not available to us before.